Ever feel completely exhausted just trying to figure out what to wear to work? You don't need a luxury budget to look like an executive. After 15 years in the corporate world, I've broken down the exact low-maintenance blueprint to looking sharp and boosting your efficiency. In this video, we are diving into 5 simple, high-impact habits that will build your wardrobe confidence and eliminate morning stress for good. Rule 1. Clean and maintained nails. Your hands tell a story. Keep your nails clean and meticulously maintained. Find 1 or 2 signature shades that complement your skin tone, or choose to keep them completely bare. The hack? Use an earthy pastel base like light mauve, pale pink, or even a transparent along with muted shimmer nail paints. Because these tones mimic natural skin undertones, they look incredibly sophisticated. Best of all, if they chip slightly during a chaotic work week, nobody can even tell. Rule 2. A minimalist capsule wardrobe. Stop buying more clothes, start buying the right clothes. True executive presence comes from building a simple, interchangeable capsule wardrobe. All you truly need are 3 to 4 high-quality tops, 2 versatile blazers or structured jackets, 3 to 4 pairs of tailored trousers, skirts, or sleek dresses. Stick strictly to a neutral color palette so every single piece matches seamlessly. You will eliminate decision fatigue in the morning and look exceptionally put together every single day. Rule 3. Comfortable and clean footwear. Comfort dictates your confidence. Painful, ill-fitting shoes instantly ruin your posture, your gait, and your mood. Instead, invest in high-utility footwear that bridges comfort with style and is easy to maintain. The go-tos: think sleek suede kitten heels, classic leather loafers, or clean, minimalist flats. If your shoes are genuinely comfortable and kept scuff-free, your entire outfit immediately looks expensive. Rule 4. Structured, logo-free bags. Ditch the flashy, loud logos. A polished professional bag does not need to carry a luxury price tag, but it absolutely must showcase high quality. Look for high-grade vegan leather with structured silhouettes and zero unnecessary hardware, loud prints, or trendy design elements. A clean, logo-free bag never goes out of style and will never look dated as the years pass. Rule 5. Flawless, seamless undergarments. Fix what is underneath. The wrong undergarments can instantly ruin the drape of the most beautiful outfit. Always choose seamless, skin tone matching undergarments that accommodate your specific wardrobe. The goal: they should completely eliminate harsh lines, prevent fabric from clinging, and ensure nothing shows through lighter materials. When your foundation is flawless, your clothes drape perfectly. Looking polished is simply a habit of paying attention to the details. Which of these 5 habits are you building first? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more corporate strategy tips, and I will see you in the next video.